All right, so this is a suggestion via a channel member. Guys, let's check it out.
And the judge and Judge Barry granted me that motion. And Your Honor, we attached it to the plaintiff's motion for incarceration, Your Honor, that was attached as Exhibit A. Your Honor, since that time, Your Honor, we've appeared before Judge Barry a few times, Your Honor, and surprisingly, this is the first time Ms. Lott has appeared since that petition, since our trial in 2020. Your Honor, I've tried to reach out to Ms. Lott a few times, Your Honor, to no avail. Your Honor, she's been included on all of the email correspondence with the court. Your Honor, she's willfully failed and refused to pay the attorney fees. Your Honor, last time we were in court, I think Judge Berry, I thought she granted the contempt and stated that because we did request for incarceration, Your Honor.
And that's her at
I
the
guess
top
we're
you're talking
here
about?
and just we're asking that Ms. Lott is incarcerated until the $2,755.40 is paid, Your Honor.
Okay.
And Your Honor, I am asking for attorney fees for today. Your Honor, and even me having to file this motion and continue to, I guess, seek attorney fees from Ms. Lott, Your Honor.
All right, so she's stiffing the court, basically.
Your Honor, for today, Your Honor, I'm asking for $1,500, Your Honor. And I can provide my affidavit to the court, Your Honor. We had to communicate with the court, Your Honor. I've been practicing law since 2008, Your Honor. I've been in good standing since that time. Your Honor, I charge my client a flat fee of the $1,500 just to try to see, just so we can file this motion for incarceration.
Okay. All right, Ms. Lott.
Bro, if she didn't pay $2,000, look, what are the chances of her being able to pay $1,500 on top of the $2,000?
Raise your right hand. You swear or affirm the evidence you're about to present in the matter and hearing should be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth.
Your Honor, are you judging me?
What is that? What?
You want to call it that?
What happened?
But
I judging
you
me?
want to testify on your own behalf.
Yes, I do. And if the attorney is not going to be sworn in, that is a conflict of interest. And I have filed motions. I filed a quo warranto because I have searched for law licenses and I have not found any. There's been no true judges since 1789. And the United States filed a Chapter 11 in 1933, which lost their sovereignty as a government. So I can't even be heard here. I have asked the court to provide me documentation stating that this is an Article 3 court. I have not gotten anything back from the judge with
here we go.
Any type of documentation
from
the Attorney General, from the Secretary of State. You guys have not had permission to try me, and no law is above God's law. So I cannot honor any of your laws. It supersedes every single law that you guys have given me. I have tried to settle this in court. I have filed a fiduciary relationship.
Did you?
56. I am friends with the IRS. I have attempted to settle with a $20 money order because there is no money with the court, and everything was sent back. So rejection of payment is payment, Your Honor. And my religion strongly prohibits any satanic laws or rituals, and I cannot serve two masters. So either I don't even know what to do here in this matter, because I have asked to be tried in an Article 3 court. This is not a court of equity. God's law trumps all laws made by man. God also says no man should be judged, or you will be judged. This is my religion. I have not broken any of God's laws. I have not committed any crimes. I have not harmed my offspring. I am the first name holder on my child's estate. So there is nothing that I can do for Miss LaFleur, and I will not be paying it because my God told me not to. He gave me the instructions on what to do, and you guys refused it. You guys refused my quo warranto because it wasn't written in the way that you accepted, but I am not under your laws. I am friends with the IRS. I have sent out my documentation. I have my own contract with myself. I don't have a contract with you guys. I have not signed anything, and I am not a 14th Amendment corporate war citizen. I am a natural person. That is what I have to say.
Amazing.
You have any questions for Ms. Lott, Ms. St. Fleur?
Yes, Ms. Lott, were you present in court for the petition for legitimation with
Bro, it's
Tariq
hard.
Crump.
It's hard to
Crump.
listen to. It's hard to
Ms.
listen to these
LaFleur, can you
people.
provide me your
It's St. Fleur. It's St. Fleur. It's not Little Fleur. If we're gonna quote all of these articles, make sure you get my name right. It's St. Fleur.
St. Fleur?
It's St. Fleur. Were you in court? I mean, I'm not sure if any of the articles could tell me, but were you in court?
Questions. I have no further answers for any of your questions. I said what I said. This law does not trump God's law. I'm under God's law, and that's it.
Well,
that's guys. Can we mute her
anything
mic for a
further,
second?
Ms. St. Fleur?
No, Your Honor.
Right.
All right, Ms. Lott,
let's
we have
move
an
on.
order that was entered back on February 13th of this year, saying you had 10 days to pay this $2,755.40.
And she didn't.
Do you have any proof that any payment was made?
I have the proof here, and this was sent back to me. This is the money order that I sent to the court.
That's
Your
that
law-
$20 thing you said?
Yes, it is. That is the settlement that is written in your laws. I did send the thing. They sent it back, and refusal of payment is payment. So I will handle it with the IRS from here.
Well, $20
doesn't cover.
doesn't equal $2,755.40.
Or
Right.
any court fees cannot supersede to $20, and that is what I paid as a natural person. I don't know about any U.S. citizen. I'm not a U.S. citizen. I'm a natural person and a private American.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Oh, wait, what is this? Okay, sure thing. Yeah.
Mr. Crump, who is a U.S. citizen, however, has also violated the own court order that he brought into matter, because my child is supposed to go to school in DeKalb County, and he decided that he wasn't going to
public
do that,
school?
Your Honor.
DeKalb County is public. Bro, DeKalb County is... Wait a second. Hold the phone here, buddy. Why are you going to a tax-funded public... wait, what does it say here? Wait, what's going on the screen? Anyway, listen, DeKalb County is... schools are funded by the tax people. All right. So if you're not going to partake in our system, why are you utilizing our roads, guys? Right. Like, why are you utilizing all of our things? All right. But you don't want to partake in it. You just want to like suck from it, but not. Okay. That doesn't make any sense, guys. Like, can we ban her from all these things, please?
At this point, I am over this whole situation.
Yeah, that's not before the court today.
Yep. Because, I mean, at this point, I'll take it up with God.
Okay.
I've not committed any crimes under God's law. I have not stolen. I have not buried false witnesses. I have not killed anyone. I have not dishonored my mother and my father, and I have not put any man before God, and I will not put any of you guys before God either.
Fine.
Tyreek, back up. Go back in there.
What?
All right, Ms. Lott, I'm gonna find you in contempt of court for failure to pay the $2,755.40.
Good.
Order you incarcerated, that is jailed,
Right.
until you've paid the money.
I will be taking it up with the IRS, and I will be filing liens because you guys do not have liens over myself, my estate, or my child. So
You'll take it up with the sheriff first.
no, I will not, because the sheriff does not have any jurisdiction.
Oh, he's coming.
The sheriff will come out and arrest you.
He's coming.
Over me, and the sheriff does not have any jurisdiction over
That's
me.
fine. Once you're released,
Uh-huh.
I'll give you 90 days to pay an additional $1,500 for attorney's fees incurred by the plaintiff for today's proceeding. And I'll ask Ms. St. Fleur to submit the order.
Will do, Your Honor.
And include in that, the sheriff will notify the court when Ms. Lott has been arrested.
You're picked up.
Can you
right.
guys provide me with evidence that you are Article 3 court and not a military court?
And
Some-
Shut your
send you a
mouth.
copy of the order. Okay. All right.
It's
Anything?
good. It's good seeing you, Judge. It's been a long time, Judge. I hope
Yeah.
the government is treating you well.
Yeah,
Right.
it's the way to go.
Just laugh at it and let's
But
move
happy,
on.
Good seeing you.
happy Thanksgiving.
All right, same to you.
Your Honor, we have no further business with the. I have no further business with the court. May I be excused?
You send your order to Miss Carr.
I definitely will.
Okay.
I put my information in the chat, Judge.
All right.
Who was speaking?
Okay, thank you. You're excused.
Thank you.
Okay, guys. I think that's it.
Is that everything for today?
Yes, Judge, that's it.
Okay.
All right, Ms. Carr.
Yeah, right. Jail. Okay, good. Okay, I like that. Right, I like that. She is just speaking. Like, listen, I understand some of the things that she's obviously saying, but it doesn't mean anything anymore, guys. I mean, I say this all the time here. At one time, all that nonsense she basically spewed meant a whole lot of things here, but it means nothing today, right? Like, if you want to not lose your rights to actually have your natural status and all these other things, right? You should have utilized them or told people to utilize them, right? I think a good correlation would be carrying paper money instead of consistently, I don't know, using your card all the time, right? Because once you stop using your paper money, what happens eventually? It goes away, right? I mean, understand this here. I get what you're saying, but it doesn't mean anything, okay? Like, we have a brand new social contract or compact specifically that kind of ties people together as like this one kind of a communal thing where we've all decided that these rules mean things, and that's basically what a law is anyway, right? Like, I mean, we've all decided that these things mean things, okay? So if you're going to live in our modern day system, okay, not the 1700s, okay, like if you want to live in our modern day system, you have to adhere to it. And the fact that she's like, hey, listen, my kids are going to DeKalb County schools and things like this. You're utilizing the roads, guys. There are no dirt roads in DeKalb County. I don't think so, at least, right? She mentioned Stone Mountain. There are no dirt roads in Stone Mountain. What are you talking about? And if you want the DeKalb County Sheriff to come out there, that's going to get spicy. You please turn yourself in if you like being if you want to listen. It'll be safer, all right, for you to just go to the jail right now instead of letting the sheriff deputies from DeKalb County come out there. They are used to dealing with some of the worst people you can imagine consistently. That is a ghetto, guys, all right? It is legitimately, it's a hood. It is a ghetto, bro, all right? It is. So wouldn't it be smarter to just turn yourself in? Just do that, right? You're an idiot, but I do think that you deserve life still, all right? Let's just say this here, all right? But either way, live your life. Guys, do you want to watch movies with me? I never actually thought to like promote it over here, guys. But if you guys do want to watch it, guys, we have hundreds of movies. And I mean hundreds of movies that we've reacted to. You guys can come watch them with me if you want to, along with, many TV shows. Currently, we're working on the show Dexter, along with Vikings. And we have a lot of series that are already completed. But if you guys do want to watch it with me, the link is in the description. Everything's available at the second tier. But of course, if that's not your thing, guys, don't worry, right? Listen, like and subscribe.